Most people dream of buying property. It's the ultimate goal, a symbol of success. But for many, that dream quickly becomes a financial nightmare. The property owns them, and it never pays them. And here's the simple, brutal reason why. They focus on the emotion of owning it, instead of the business of making it work for them. If you want your first property to actually pay you, you need to master one critical concept: cash flow. It's the lifeblood of any real estate investment. In simple terms, it means the property brings in more money in rent than it costs you to own and operate each month. For example, if your rent is $2,000 and your total expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, and repairs, are $1,800, you have $200 in positive cash flow. That's the goal. So how do you guarantee that happens? There are 4 key steps. First, buy right. Your profit is locked in the day you buy, not when you sell. Buying an overpriced property in a declining area is a recipe for disaster. Buying a solid property under market value in a growing neighborhood is how you make money fast. Second, know your numbers, all of them. That's not just rent and mortgage. It's potential vacancies, property management fees, repairs, capital expenditures like a new roof, and taxes. If the numbers don't work on paper before you buy, they will never work in reality. Walk away. Third, force appreciation and increase value. This means making smart, cost-effective improvements. Better photos for your listing, small cosmetic upgrades, and efficient management can all justify a higher rent. This also includes operational excellence. Screen tenants thoroughly, have a maintenance plan, and always keep a cash reserve for unexpected issues. And finally, the most important step of all, think like an investor, not a homeowner. You are not buying a forever home. You are buying a cash-flowing asset. The goal isn't just to own property. It's to build a machine that makes money for you. Master these steps, and that's how your first property stops being a liability and starts working for you. If you want to learn more strategies to make your investments pay you, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like this video and drop a comment below with your biggest real estate question. We'll see you in the next one.